How much you buy in some club?
$24, bro.
Oh, wow. Give you power. The birds, they give you power. This is the one they are feeding now. This is rice. This is rice.
Very good. Clear your camera. Clear.
Yeah. One more. Hello, good morning.
I gotta think what I'm gonna eat. It look like hell. Look like hell over there.
Yeah.
Old age, bro. But I gotta think what I'm gonna eat. Everything closed, huh?
Yeah, we're feeding the birds.
Yeah. Everything closed. Foodland. Jack in the Box open. McDonald's.
Yeah, we're feeding the birds. Rice. This is the rice. Feeding rice. Oh, no. Where's it?
One more.
Zero.
Yeah. Get an eyeball. I'll see how many birds and how much rice.
Yeah.
Calculate that how much.
You know already, yeah?
Yeah, VIP over here. VIP.
Oh, is it?
I like
I take video, no?
Yeah.
This is the one they are feeding now. This is rice. This is rice.
Very good. Clear your camera. Clear.
Yeah.
One more. Yeah.
You
get a portion of them. We're going to get what?
Yeah.
How much?
Yeah.
One bag.
Oh, how much you buy the one? The one bag?
24 Sam's Club.
How much?
Sam's Club.
Oh, yeah.
24 bucks.
How long you feed this one? 1 week?
50 pounds. That's one day.
Huh?
50 pounds in one day.
1 day?
Oh my God. It's not the only stop right here.
How many locations you feeding?
I never count them. Went all the way to Don Quixote.
Don Quixote, I deliver every day, Monday to
The pigeons.
pigeon. Yeah, that's why I'm feeding the one.
Yeah, good. They're waiting on one corner.
But yesterday, I feed the rice, the one cook. The only little bit pigeon coming. I think somebody feed already.
Somebody give some girl ladies.
Yeah.
One holy lady.
Yeah, holy lady.
She don't give enough. She's gonna get a small bag. Let it.
One bag.
When you get this much.
But you look rainy.
Show them the whole pot.
How much you buy in some club?
$24, bro.
Oh. Wow. I have more than
one a
to.
day. You use one a day.
I cannot.
You're gonna go broke.
I cannot break your record. Bro, I cannot break your record. I only feeding her.
Yeah, I'm not done yet. I got all the way to Chinatown. Right
Yeah.
Thing. Probably it's like Safeway.
I know the place. Right.
Get a lady though now. Good. She's behind the fire station.
I have cut 12 cats feeding. So I buy chicken, fried rice. No.
Yeah.
Do you know the small can? Small can?
Yeah, where the can is.
In Portland is $1. No, more than $1.
Expensive over there.
But in Korean it's only $1.
Yeah.
But sometimes they want old already.
Yeah.
The cat is smell. You know it.
Yeah. The old cat.
Old cat food.
Never heard of that.
You see?
That bird, that red one with the red head, like red I think, but no more today. Land closed.
Which one?
Look at the red one with the red in the head on top. That
Yeah.
That one like the bread, but
You like
whatever.
you like bread, yeah?
They like to eat whatever. They eat the bright stuff.
Yeah. See the birds?
5. How old are you? How are you now?
55.
59.
Oh,
69.
you're still strong. You're
Yeah,
still
yeah.
strong.
You live with a
The
pip.
birds give you power. The birds, they give you power.
Your money, Bob. Your power is all going in the money, Bob. Or feed a bird, you have to Social Security.
Yeah. I think you're happy. Me too, I'm happy. I'm feeding the birds.
People, they don't pay you enough. They don't pay you enough for the people.
Yeah.
I'm looking at them. I'm looking at them. I'm sure they're not hungry out there. Don't give a little bit.
Yeah.
Look, right there.
Yeah, so feeding again.
Guaranteed they
Feeding again, I would say.
spread them out. Bird came up next, but
Okay, aloha. Aloha to you.
okay, but
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Merry Kalikimaka.
You get
Maayong buntag mga kabisdak. O maayong Pasko sa iyong tanan. Kauban iyong pamilya. Itong video kanya amigo na kong Amerikano. Dugay na ito giginahimo niya ang pagkaon sa mga langgam kaning tabon. Ang budget na sa adlaw sa kasak 50 pounds. Pinapalit niya og 24 something dollars. Samantalang kang ako mga sobra lang ako Iya, di na ko ma-break ang record, grabe. Sa kasako palit na po siya sa tindahan. Wala Pasalamat ko sa inyo talang mga bisdak sa pagtanaw sa akong video. Again, Merry Christmas sa inyo tanan. Aloha and mahalo.